subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new entry-level smartphone under G series called Moto G Fast, along with the Moto E 2020 in the US market. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G Fast features a 6.4-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G Fast supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 16MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 118° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box and it comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and the company claims to offer 2-day battery life on a single charge. Additionally, the phone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor under the Motorola logo for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.87 by 75.7 by 9.05mm and it weighs around 189.4 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G Fast has been priced in the US at $200 and the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in pearl white color option and it will go on sale starting from June 12th. So what do you guys think of this Moto G Fast smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.